Okay, yachio, yamo kwaba, yarin sem, and at a baba some pocky crow, quite so, and yet my trauma query polum palam ne antisi. Yeah, you're going straight to the point inside a wagon, na in 70 yana the edit, the sefatano, and then you ray what the ayo dinner and as a supper, na a channel powder crown so out there breakfast, and yeah, to us so acquainted. On this edition of Porcupine Diaries, that is, I am one sports. And for that matter, other stories making headlines and on getting sending some more. You didn't come out after Santi Kotoko technical meeting. There is a news about Ansu. You didn't come out Zakaria Fuseni Hamzata. One more partnership home come out. And I think you'll be remote transfer. The home come out crack so Eddie Anima. Quick one. Yeah, about the party part. Yen with still data. Pocket crowd na yakuya ni muntentem so now on this Christmas GH Live Studios yeah baba be check airtime bundle data e dey my listeners mo hwe yen e wo GH Live Studios Ghana's numero uno and to stay glue na ebre ne bre kwane nyina ye de kwan am fa so am bo wini data no e be ma mo mostly yenuano mo a muta ewo Ghana ne amanone ahodo nyina no ye be mo aba so ne mo Ghana nso a mo hwe yen no yes we be see mo data no ne ade no yesutie ye be boa mo na bibia tumi akoso mo muta comment with regards to Sansana mo share my adwen in a great way na nya didi atem no yeguso a selection a abasobo poki crow ebeko ede amamo nti ade nsam no nyina eba aba be someone tentem super na bibia ewie nkurim die so live
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
okay yanasi yes data yanko straight and Asante Kotoko training grounds that is Thursday 11th day of December 2025 the year of our Lord training echo so now before the training a youth side woman ebo ayonkiye akansi omni atasola academy almost for lie and a boy a game the berry na atasola academy ashekansia ama Asante Kotoko youth side atimu mienu sharon so mama say youth side so womo ayi new players ababera youth side team ni mu anei woma sone so kama na nsone so ne fo ni bia entanya regular match day ema youth side ene na omni atasola etata so sharon so ne fan to anim say best 7th youth side players ewo senior side omni omo training the whole seminar to the news within the news, and it said your juvenile side Asante Kotoko Elisu 6-2 for Bobo Kwa. You're from say Atasola. No more and me patrol fan to and him say main team and so a yamo woman ebe shake your body kakra. Emma be to me eto ja na woman eba be recovery from last night, and I said no you gamer woman any future stars academy boy na it me come Emma motimu ba kwa. Anko true life no sa pepepe and a recovery na sia no de see ye coaches ni nyina were available womo edid yomo komo kakra etutu mrika kakra and womo yi kakra ye ka eyi na chese nei ye ntwa kanko na ye mon komo fa enra game no and omudidi komo kakra fa ho enya training gidi and omo ye recovery kakra se na be ya womo na no ebetimi I straightforward there wa hoden kwan so na echina main training abaso echina and Asante Kotoko training kasiya pa ebeto dwanam se echina no ye ka ahead of Dreams FC game on Sunday 4 p.m. me pa honom and a technical drills ebeto dwa ho ye makwan e manson training bia me video no enti honom and a zitoiship yes of akabute obe rem na fe tactical archaeology what me dey ato from edechina ama bibia ayekra behwe ewomtina wote ya Asante Kotoko ekoye training kama but yemfan to anim say it was on a lighter note after some kwadane ball friendly game lose 6-2 and a senior side so ewura mu a Wamuke shake up kakra a recovery from the Future Stars game. Eto Ghana live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. Yensi Sudia, Emma say Abranta and did Samba Onel Gilbani Ndongani. One trainee, yes, he wasn't part of the recovery team. And now say Ablorh so anyebi, afenso Joseph Ablorh anyebi, you know, Yemfan to and him say Henry Kwame Ansu, one also Omunyana due to a little bit minor injury into the woman and to me ampateki training a toja and a Thursday and you men no ancient muka credit to ja ama in a tear for a woman ya lances and a capture of a Prince Ousu Coachilla our no a year abidiachi element of a kabute of a zito kama na yebisa musa ade and an lensi akanwa one is Zakaria Fuseni a bon komo yebisa na yebisa muni nyina no de tie and say yourself a zito edia share of a Prince Ousunsa say yepa na Zakaria Fuseni the confidence level no enya up to speed said ya kwaku say mini ya no ta kind of bro for no yes or say entimi nya pocket crowd na bibia entimi enya krabehwe enti so share more seriously Enra Hamzata and Zakaria Fuseni partnership no it was super magnificent amanfo asase say ampa kasachire and psychological edge Wamodema Zakaria Fuseni no kwa animu ye pa na Hamzata na de omo ayesa be wo de ne yankwan ye wo de ne nom sen ye wo de ne bibie ye e wo tim ni mu akoto companyfo glazy Hamzata ye pa anya ketwa on Zakaria Fuseni no womo study hu se ne bobo ne nyesesa bi wasa na se bia ne modemo wo form na omo timi ehu se ade bia ne confidence level no na wo form na me pese me mistake na ahu ni trim Inti a buy na ho prepare kwan so no asaka akofa mfonso de aba nti omo ne kasa snase of a Prince Ousu amona basi ye papa edi sa adwuma na enya ketwa krakra na Michael Akufu Gaddafi nso wono nso edi ne ho agim bia wono nso kasa kire na koso a players a omo evim wo fam ni nyina no yese omo eboa ye papa niema etumpon ewo mo eno kakra fremu eto jabare from to anim say the ayatete say Henry Ansu so contract extension no and also baba be eboachi bidin ese hwotwi hwoncha echa todwa ewo mu a enhyeda ento dwanti se Kotoko mema 4 players se mostly January transfer window in Kotoko ebe sign 4 players na ewi a chere ne ade 1 beka ho ma ne call 5 yes ni nyina no players bi dachi bi ntia ene ma bi ebeka ho a ekona nim no and all things being equal, Ceteris Paribus, se Ansu contract no and 7 no, and si jina expect say ebetimia jina 5-1 na say beko 6 new players are yeah expect so make Johnny Asante Kotoko no and on some kakra na yade 2 anim no na yanku anim emfama wa mostly se Kotoko ebo game ewia every game Kotoko obo bia no wo mu technical meeting FA Cup enra game omo boy no and then Omanya technical meeting bia. Omu di nyina kwa share after Sunday game. Yetimi any dreams ewie nkunimdie kwan so a die besi bia no mostly be di nkunimdie but ye share dreams we are on Monday and a technical meeting authorized one ebesa toja na ye se ehonom ena womo ebe NDB bia with regards to players join Kotoko management womo any ade no be ka bom na omasigina ye asipo na omahu se ene players 9 enum anasa nsia se de ne etodwa no na ebe join January transfer window nti nyame de adom na Sunday game ne be after 4 p.m. Monday technical meeting any management ebeshiam na one usual meeting no obadi unko about way on agenda anasa on the menu no me pacha de tie and say womo ebe discuss players coming in and as incoming players no na bibia tumi akoso ewo mo mame fanto anim say agent ba konso egusu de akire ene Kotoko mpanyufo di nkoma strikers too womo free nkofo cross so Africa bibrem ya ebe join Kotoko no kasa no egusu ekoso eno nso di free mu etodwa eno no nti nyame bo next week ena window official dom ye bebie na expect sampa ebia players Kotoko ye be sign no yes ahowo mienu bi betumi awramu eno kasachra ya tia ye de to janti next week said ye donzo de edema na no omo touch down most definitely the players need details chrome free so that is can crankasa natively baby free nya country ni nkwa ne here ye be rem na obobo adweso ene ade nyina no ye de aba beto ye board yi so ama wonsa atumi aka ewo mu na enra Kotoko ni Future Stars game no ye bo wie ye ena wa onimu nuanom chencherefo sha so mu glazy Bafada Salim ene amanfo ton no an so Kotoko fo pe no ebi so Kotoko me ba cho Kotoko panyi bia ne Bafada Salim eni nkomo as at now dear abeto ye nim no nti DM na no DM edema Future Stars no Kotoko nko ne ho Kotoko ni nkodi nkomo sade wate tibi amanfo edi twa content no Bafada Salim I get closer to Kotoko sade wate no derby entisa but BBC san ye de baba beto adim de nim ne se atapoku enra oni akwada ni CI even enra nwumre cross an no bonkomo on 30 so na akwada ni ejimo closer from Future Stars kwamo ahimfie ekọ edoma ahinkra most definitely Diana Stars and oinchi closer to that place and no enchi muka credit to ja ama yenetefo now on other player Ete Dogley ETXC Ete Dogley I am midfielder at the Emma Boboko Heart of Lion the pride of Aibe no and the Abatoja I had them last couple of days ago and it's a to company for in fact players from listed also but omutwa bim no matwe bidin e de asase here Ete Dogley din wom yes our story na ma dada but the info went to amount the free mobile yes I upgraded version on Ete Dogley at the amount and it's a agent to be I friends of mentor management we agent omodi akwadana to coin pain akokra friends a Czech Republic so e man koko boy a season and said that amfa and a man about back now see I can't banana in FC e won crime important mo and a agent friends of mentor management broni bi na dano your friend Ben Gebre we Germany Ben Gebre and a dano and a ode akwada friend say Ete Dogley echo team be friends TJ Juskra Ostinad TJ Juskra Ostinad a team I Czech Republic Caribbean friends say Olich honom and a chrono team no ewo na de tie and say amfa no buy and obi obebo Heart of Lion ya osi akama or Johnny Womo 15th August 2025 yeah that is or Johnny Womo enche Fachame last year mom and or Johnny Womo emphasize into wenim and your Johnny Womo said that enche bia sa embro afibiampo na ene agent no ora Ben Gebre now e Germany you know almost when your team bia ompesa akwada no almost ade ne koro na okotra na we trust and eso yo na akwada nso benya nanka was 6 season nyina wie ansa na kwantusem bia aba betodwa enti still Kotoko mpanyimfo bia ba akwada ne din chair management technical no eguso maneuver situation ni mu ene akwada Ete Dogley camp din komo Heart of Lion one met for that no komo de ekosopa but expect say ne other section as a faction so ene akwada no din komo a de be free matodwa say obeji say obeside buruni na chi esane na tu kwan biem no ye do abeto anim so on di na chi nso na Kotoko movement a ene edawo no ma epagya ne chi no epagya gina ye no so ye do abeso mo still on transfer yemfa we mount center forward baako otimi ba right wing and otimi ba left wing university games e to dwa ewo obi man so amano ne no na no adokosi akan edema team a omutimi to aso edi nkonim osan 2 seasons edema Gold Stars from RTU and or Johnny Womo your friend Frimpong Ronald Gold Stars no coach your friend say Ogum ekodi na chikakra but I'm saying fa enene akwara no opte for Gold Stars and the only Gold Stars aware na ba we enrechi o baby on to aso biem nene you say amanfo bi asase nso boni din kire Kotoko say momiensa nkwa akwada no ho enam say wo utility what the number 9 ye what the number left and right wing honso a ye but as at now a technical handlers in mubako and I recommend am a senior coach one more age in but set a management ebe remedy their branding crabia and I bet you the entire Kotoko betchen and answer kakran say akrano a rem 33 years 1992 April 2nd and award nti eyom se 33 de anhwa na eya akwa ebu achibidi nti omuguso edwen akwada Ronald Frempong ba Kotoko guso dwen ne ho no de yatie ene se All Blacks wedro enso epeso muni akwada no eye adwuma na All Blacks ene Kotoko nyina edwen ne ho no coach Frempong manso a one no eye adwuma Gold Stars enso eye winning race na otis wa joining Nations FC emano enyo wanwa no so yem koma kakra yeri to ja ama yenete for live on GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1 nensem no etimi afrimo ato dwanyame dia adoma defia de china day anime Kotoko ebe training anopa nonso apa unsi mediasa 7:30 am and a crabia mapoma metema the Royal City Club ebe training and also enchuma di be free ma babiano yen chief reporter Emmanuel Menya na nabakwa gracious ebe rem na why gracious to the job obitimi ere report ni nyina no atuja ama yenete for Dreams FC womo prepare womo ayon pre match awie post bibia pressa no aba betoja kama coach eden sam kakra tuja which ni player womo so mo bakuma se ma mehwe menhia himfia na so mo ma mehwe ketia womo ba be sin gangan na womo ni aba be bro na enya ketu akra nti Dreams almost Saturday omberem Kumase na bibia timi akoso womo so ye training ene eprebia eni womo campa bibia no etoja that is opponent watch kakra ifrimu ba yarema yenete for chan yetrasia yade more Dreams FC ehun komo ebetu anim na onso wan ba bia niema ebe free edi aba mu Kotoko chan 7:30 am training ebetoja and also kakra baso on Sunday said the ababeda screen so no 4 p.m. and a crobia sante Kotoko one any Dreams at a son quadano and batata so and so enchemu kakra say yedema in a tea for na akadaya and almost a ball day or no and another no echigina baby and we an interview kakra obisa no 1 minute interview
2-1 win
Obeka say experience and a buy to play it was second half now. The way forward near the news now Baby Bray, I say father Jeff Future Stars so Diana, the deal is done. No crebio.
Sana metete but at this time need me focus on your jumana me. At the end of the day, the ebeba on board near the Asidamanya.
The next 5 years, and father person you
the next 5 years, we shall say it's me about senior national team. Now it's me up Europe foreign contract. It's me up.
So be nimba father and the qualities on the field of play maybe.
But for the qualities of the play, me defensive midfielder. Me energy, me tackle, me passes, me quality and me diamond.
Father, they understand now we catch Future Stars supporters.
Future Star supporters the omunia nti udruka mwa na wachrim ede amawo muti GH Live Studios akoda we na nra yeso ma mini adabo ho kire ne kakra na nya kete
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Enti some dewa kakra esa gu animo yamfa ntoa so ana da bi esa video ne bewa okay Samba hey Samba onko moi okay yan san fan next episode Samba ane Ablorh but Ansu contract ne there and sha on sign nkra when nti say so no kra nti sana mabu be nti Ansu there no sana akoyo nti ba father ya out in Kenya for now Kotoko share dan kono enipa na de no ton